The week of the 14th, you guys have a test, test 4, which is on chapter 6. So if you click on the week of the 14th on the calendar, it'll pop up. Again, remember that you only have one attempt, so don't open it until you are ready. Click start when you're ready. The first section is Los hábitos de comer. Listen to the eating habits of Manuel and Aldo, and then decide whether each statement below is cierto or falso. And then if the information isn't given, you select no se menciona. So my advice would be to read the statements first so that you know what you're listening for, and then play the dialogue. Label each of the following pictures, and it tells you to use the definite article el, la, los, and las with the words that you provide. And then this is like this is like matching. You're going to have the same set of choices for each one. And so it says, es una fruta verde o morada que se usa para hacer el vino. And so then you choose, what is that? What is that sentence describing? And so you'll do that. Which condiment or food or drink is being described on the left with the word on the right? Then you read these sentences, decide whether you want dar or decir, and then pick the correct spelling of the verb. Here you are using you're picking the indirect object pronoun. It's multiple choice, so you just read the sentence and then pick the pronoun that, the indirect object pronoun that would match up with the indirect object that's already in your sentence. Here you pick the verb that would best complete the sentence and it correctly conjugated. Then you've got the preterite. You're going to choose between the two verbs that are in parentheses and then conjugate them into the preterite. And then this is preterite again. You've got your CAR, GAR, and ZAR verbs, which are irregular. So you pick the verb that would best complete the sentence and then conjugate it correctly. And just make sure that you pay attention to, how these verbs change when you conjugate them into the preterite tense. And here, complete the sentences by choosing the appropriate verb. So it's given to you in the preterite tense. You just choose which verb and which spelling in the preterite tense would best complete the sentence.